Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install iSpeed window deflectors. Firstly, roll down the window, use isopropyl alcohol or soapy water to clean the inner window frame where the deflectors all sit. Dry completely with a microfiber towel to ensure the adhesive, if used, sticks properly. Before removing any adhesive backing, test fit the deflectors by placing them along the top edge of the window frame and ensure they align properly and fit snugly in place. Now insert the front and end of the deflectors into the window channel and gently flex the deflectors to side, the rear end into the channel. Slowly push it up into place, ensuring a snug fit along the entire window frame. If provided, use the metal clips by inserting them between the window seal and deflectors to secure it. Now roll the windows up and down slowly to check clearance. If the window struggles to close, leave it fully closed for 24 hours to allow the seal to adjust. Double check all the deflectors are secure and flush against the window frame and wipe off any fingerprint or dust to a clean look. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.